So, it's the IS-350 again, complete setup, full DS-18, equipment, speakers, amplifiers. Just giving you a little tour.
Remember all the things we said. Like I love you, so I'll never let you go. Do you remember back in the spring? Remember every moment the birds would sing. Do you remember? Go on in the back of my mind. So